I had 2 fairly serious medical episodes, and my kids said, this house, it's too old, needs a lot of maintenance, it's too big, the gardens are way too big for you, you've got these permanent now health problems, you've got to downsize. They were all for it. I was very reluctant because none of my neighbours had moved in 25 years, so I had a little built-in social group where I was. So I moved to be closer to a daughter who was nursing at the time because she was worried about my health, and that was to this suburb in Alkimos. I tried a few groups, but it wasn't really what I was looking for, and so I thought I'll start my own group.
I have a few health problems, so being with people helps a lot, and plus I do a lot of swimming in my pool, and I keep my brain active by creating new projects. I don't like to do boring crochet. I like to, get a bit creative, so that just keeps my mind active and gets me enthusiastic. Yeah.
It's helped me to teach other people how to do this, and that was really a fabulous feeling, showing other people how to crochet. And I love the camaraderie and just knowing everybody and getting away and doing things and just having a really good time, belonging.
And the group has just grown now to almost 25 ladies, and we do lots of other activities together as well as meeting every week.
I'm meeting new friends, having fun. We sometimes do some knitting in this group and we solve the world's problems. I've always worked full time and I've just recently retired, but it's just nice to have a different activity other than work. So that's what's been really enjoyable.
Everyone makes you feel very, very welcome. And just sit and chat. I'll only knit for a little while and I stop because I've got arthritis in the hands. So I'd stop and start with that as I can. And it's just more or less meeting people, which is good.
We've all become great friends. One of the ladies fell and broke her back. We were all round there, we were helping her, we took her to appointments. We even took the knitting group to her house a couple of times. And other people have had things go wrong, and we're all there for each other now. So.
And now I've joined this group, which I walked in and didn't know a soul, and I've never done that in my life. And I love it. Every Thursday we come here and I love it, absolutely love it. So I'm a lot happier now because I've got somewhere to go.
It's good for the mind, and it does help you connect with people if you've got a shared passion. I know I decided to knit a whole flock of chickens for my grandchildren for Christmas, and the ladies just loved the chickens. We're part of a chat group. I set up a messenger chat group, and we share recipes and patterns, and we swap books. And we also have some ladies who weren't here today who came just to have a coffee because it's the most amazing setting and be part of a group. And they messaged me and said, is it okay if we come but we don't knit or crochet? But they learnt to knit and crochet. And some of the ladies who can knit and crochet, sometimes they come with nothing and say, today I can't be bothered, I just want to sit, have a chat, have a coffee and go home. So yeah, to me there's no barriers.